Hello traders, this is Rich from tradesight. Here's a look at our market leading stocks via our proprietary signals for the coming session. This is going to be for Tuesday, 21st of October. Pretty strong day today, closed near the highs. NASDAQ was up about 58. What that's leading us with is a fair amount of upside CPS signals. Not too much to the downside. Biogen sporting a reversal signal. Keep an eye on that for tomorrow if we do need a measuring day. They start to turn to the downside. A couple things we're trading real good volume. We had good volume in Amgen and also Netflix again. Netflix is still that volume hangover from that massive gap down. So that's still in motion, still has some energy in there. So that's trading good ranges. So keep that on the radar. Financials, good price action. Volume, not so good. NASDAQ's been in motion a little bit more. This is the first day of the new option cycle, so take a little time for the volume to come back, but expect the volume to start picking back up and getting normalized as far as the compression after the new option cycle goes. So we'll see some more better volume as we get a little further along in the week here. So for now, just take these as the upside signals that they are, but not a lot of volume in these names. Energy names, just a crushing day in BTU. Downside CPS condition, 7% below the day's open with a VWAP deviation. Good volume to the downside, so that one's real weak. Valero was real strong, posting an upside CPS. That one was more than 2.5% above the day's open, just a little bit lacking in volume. Market generals, better to buy for tomorrow. Best Buy's got an upside CPS. Big candle on the chart, which, as you can see, is a little light on volume. IBM, after having a big gap down, did settle above the day's open, so we've got a contra candle on the buy side with obviously 6 times typical volume trading. Pfizer's got an upside CPS. That one also traded some pretty good volume today as well. Keep an eye on VMware. VMware is kind of a second cousin to IBM, and they can definitely move in that. VMware has some nice range to it. Housing stocks really not where the action was today. As far as signals go, there was a pretty good move to the upside here. You can see this. We're going to get our existing home sales tomorrow before the bell, so that could color the group, and they could be in motion again. So just make note of the signals that we're seeing here. This NVR downside RPS has good volume, so that one definitely could move the stock. Transports, one of the stronger sectors today. Airlines coming on pretty strongly. We've got an upside CPS and American. That was 3% above the day's open. Big day for CSX. Upside contra candle. Closing well above the day's open, even though it was lower on the day. And finally, commodities, not where the action is today. You can see mostly light volume again, beginning the option cycle, kind of light volume. Mosaic was pretty strong today. MOS had decent volume, but unfortunately that one doesn't have a signal. All right, folks, as always, thanks for listening. This has been Rich for tradesight.